Hey, so I'm going to show you guys how you can complete your store. It's really simple and easy. So you're going to first get 2 emails from us after your purchase. You're going to get an email like this that's going to have all the instructions that you need, along with a step-by-step video for you guys to follow along. And then you'll also receive an email from us with your downloads. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly what to do in order to complete your store. So the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up for your Shopify store using this link. So this link will be right here in the instructions and also be on the page. It'll be under the description of this YouTube video. So you need to sign up with Shopify using this link. So just make sure to click this link. And the reason why you have to do that is because this link is going to give you a free trial to Shopify, and it's going to give you a dropship business starter kit. So it's basically going to be a full complete guide on dropshipping and everything about dropshipping, from how to start your store to advertising and doing social media marketing, email marketing, pretty much everything you need to know about dropshipping. It's going to be a free complete guide for all of you. So make sure to use this link so that you guys can get that. As soon as you sign up with Shopify using this link, you'll receive an email with this business starter kit so that you guys could succeed and learn a lot about dropshipping for free, in addition to this store that you're getting. So what we're going to do is just enter your email address. So I'm going to put and then click start free trial. And then right here you can choose to answer these questions, but in order to save time, I'm just going to hit skip. And then we're going to want to sell on an online store, so a fully customizable website. So I'm going to hit next. And we are selling products through dropshipping, so I'm going to put yes. And then right here for your store name, you could always change this. This is something that doesn't have to be permanent. So whatever you think of in this moment, you could put that. For this example, I'm just going to put start my ideas. Then I'm going to put next. And wherever you're located, I'm located in the US, so I'm going to select the United States. And then right here, it's going to ask you to create a Shopify ID. So I'll go ahead and do that with your email. And I'm going to enter my password here. So once you enter the password, you'll see this page right here, basically Shopify, setting up your account so that you could start completing your store. So let's wait for this to load for a second. And now that this is loaded, that is great. This is your Shopify, homepage and dashboard. So this is going to be the back end to your Shopify store. So you're going to have, this homepage. Once you're finished setting everything up, which I'll show you, you'll see the number of visitors. You'll see the number of sales that you get. So that would be the homepage. Here you'll see your orders. Here you'll see, the products that you have. Here you see all your customers that ordered from your website. Here you see your finances, your analytics. So pretty much everything about the website and your store, you'll see that on this page. So let's start completing your store. So the email that we sent you, like I said, you'll get the instructions, and you also will get an email with your downloads. So this is what you're going to use to upload to your store so that it could be complete. So you need to click this download link right here, and then select download now. Perfect. And for this example, I'm just going to add that to my desktop. And now what we need to do is we're going to go here to the home page, and then we're going to go to online store. And then we're going to scroll down. So this is the basic Shopify theme. What you're going to get is a custom theme already built for you. You just need to make a few little changes to it so that it's ready to go. So we're going to go down here to where it says theme library and where it says add theme. We're going to upload the zip file. So very important. This is one of the most important steps. When you get this zip file from us, from this link when you download, you need to actually click this file first. So you need to just double click this so that it unpacks everything that you need. So if you do this, double click it. That's why we said open ASAP to the file, because we need you to click it. So once you do that, you'll see a folder. So if you open this folder, this will be everything that you need right here. So this folder, you'll be uploading this theme. So really, really important. So a lot of people, when they first get the file, they try to upload this original file without opening it. So right here, if you go right here, upload zip file, and then you drag and drop, you're going to see it's not going to let you upload it. See, it's going to give you error saying, you know, it doesn't contain the layout / theme.liquid. That's because you need to click it. You need to open it first. So do what I just did. You double click it, and then this will be right here. So do not try to upload this original file. You need to open it first. So when you do open it, you'll see this folder. And then all you have to do is open that folder, and you'll see your theme zip right here. So that is what you're going to actually do to upload the theme to your store. So if we go right here to add theme and upload zip file, I'm going to upload this theme zip to the Shopify and hit upload, and perfect. That is going to upload right here. So I'm going to give that a bit of time. It'll take like seconds to a minute. So once that's added, you'll see that theme right here. So it'll be whatever store that you ordered. For this example, I'm using our accessory store. So if you ordered a general store, if you ordered a women's fashion boutique store, you'll see that theme name right here. So once that's added to your Shopify store, all you have to do is go right here, go under actions, and hit publish. So when we hit that publish, it's going to replace this, you know, theme that comes with your Shopify store. So hit publish, and then that's going to go right here, which is perfect. This is going to be your main theme. So the next step is very, very quick. All you have to do is some little changes to the store. Really simple. All you need to do is add pictures. So we pretty much did everything else for you. All you need to do is add some images, which is really, really quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, you'll see like these, you know, empty slots right here. So where an image should be. So you just click that, and then right here, you'll see for the first image, you're going to, you know, use Shopify's free images that they give out. And I recommend this because, you know, it's 100% free to use. So a lot of images, if you take them from the internet that are not yours, it could be a potential problem down the road of you having, you know, to pay or get sued from whoever owns that image. But all the images under here in the free images, you'll be able to use that as much as you can. So for accessories, I'm going to go under the category accessories, since this is an accessory store. And then I'm just going to select this image and then hit select. Now, as you can see, this is the image for that store. And then the last thing, you could also select that second image as well, so that it could be a slideshow. But if you want to just have one image, you could just leave that here. So if we go right here, go down here, we're going to click this one so that we put an image there. And then I'm going to put a different image here. So let's go to free images. Then let's go to accessories. I guess I'll just choose this one right here for accessories. So that's pretty much all you need to do for your store. Just add those quick images for free, and your theme and your website is ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to add products. So hit select, and then hit save, and perfect. Hello, perfect. So now we need to add the products that you got from us. So let's hit exit. So now the next step is to go to apps, and we're going to add this dropshipping app so that this is going to connect you to the supplier of your products that you got from us. So all you got to do is type DSERS, so DSERS. So just hit that, enter, and that will take you to the App Store. And click the first app. It's an app that looks just like this. And then click Add App. and then click install app, and this is going to install the app to your store. So perfect. And then just select create an account for you, and that's going to create an account from your store. And when you go right here, do not be scared at all. You only need the free plan. You don't need to pay anything for this. So just hit under free plan, just hit get started. All right, so the next step is you need to connect this app to AliExpress. So if you do not have an AliExpress account, just click this and create one. So I'm going to do that with you guys. So click that and then hit register, and then enter your email address. And then enter your password. So once you create your AliExpress account and verified your email, you'll see this page, which basically is asking you to grant authorization access to the app. So just hit authorize right here. And now perfect. So now you're ready to go with adding your product to your store. So you could just select right here. You could choose to, do whatever here, but I'm just gonna select export freely. And then this will take you to the DSers app. So right now they have a Halloween theme, which I don't really like, but after Halloween season, you won't see this. It'll look, much cleaner. So what you need to do right here next is you need to download the Chrome extension. So you don't need to do this, but I recommend doing this because it's going to make everything much easier for you with adding products. So if you look up DSers Chrome extension and click that first link, and then just select add to Chrome, add extension. Perfect. And this is going to show up right here on the extension. I'm just going to pin it so that we always see it right here. So I'm going to exit out. And now the next step is you need to go back to the files that you got from us. So right here, remember you have that folder. You'll have that theme zip folder, which we just uploaded to our Shopify store. And then the other thing you'll have is the products. So if you click that products PDF file, you'll see a PDF, with all the links to the products that you need to add to your store. So our team literally went out and found, the top products with whatever niche that you selected. And these are the top dropshipping products for you guys to sell. And we, successfully linked it to the supplier so that all you need to do is add it to your store. So if you click any of these links, it'll take you to AliExpress, and then you'll see the product here. So what you need to do is you need to add this to your store, and I recommend just, copying and pasting the link. So let's, copy here. And then we could paste that link here. Now right here, you'll see this product. Now there's, there's two different ways to add this to your store. So you could copy and paste that link here and then, select this and add this to your import list right here, add to DSers. Or you could go back to the DSers app, and where it says import list right here, you could just copy and paste that right here, hit search, and then boom, that's added to your DSers app, and you could go ahead and edit that. So you could literally, continue to do this for the other products. You can just copy that here, and then paste that here, and then that will also show up. So really simple. And then the other thing that you guys could do is you could copy and paste, or just you could click that link. So you could click that link and go here, and then you could also click that button add to DSers, and it's not logged into our Shopify, so we'll have to just refresh that. But if that's giving you problems, maybe refresh, and if it still is, it's something to do with you would have to re-log in. But easy way to do it is to just copy and paste the links that we give you directly onto here, as you can see right here, which we just did. So I'm gonna just get rid of this product right here. I'm just gonna do one product just for this example to make it go by faster, but it's literally the same exact process for all of these products. So you just copy and paste that onto here, and it'll be pushed onto right here for you to edit. So once the products are pushed onto the DSource app, you just need to make some small edits so that you're ready to sell it on your store. So you just need to click right here, edit product, and then you just need to rename the product first. So we already named the products for you, so you don't have to, think of different names. So right here, you could just copy and paste the name of your product. So for this one, let's name Colorful Retro Purse. And of course, yeah, if you wanted to, rename your product, you could do that as well. You don't have to put that name if you don't want to. So once you're done with that, go to variants. And now here is really, really important because you need to change the price of this product so that you can make money. So right here, you see its price value at, the cost of the product is $3.19. So you need to sell it for more. So you need to change this price to maybe, $19.99. So you could do that here. And another thing is, if you didn't want to do that for, every single product, individually, you could just hit right here, and that selects all, and then under actions, just hit change price, and you're going to change all of the prices to $19.99. Hit save, and boom, this is going to show you all the prices have been changed for all the purses that's going to your store. And the next thing is you need to change the compare that price. So what this price is going to look at your store is that, you just changed the price to $19.99, but this compare that price, you want it to be higher than the price you just, put. Because this is going to make it seem like, your customers are getting a really good deal. So you want to make sure that this is more than the actual price so that your customers could think that they're getting a discount. So you're going to also change the compare that price. And I'm going to put, $100. So on your story, customers are going to see that the compare that price is, $100, but it's on sale for $19.99. So that would make it seem like they're getting a good deal. So the next thing is the description. So I highly recommend that you guys always delete the descriptions that's coming from AliExpress because they look just like this. You do not want that on your website or your store. So just hit delete. And then also delete these right here. So everything that you see right here, just go ahead and delete all of it. Okay, and then the last thing is the images. So all the images that are checked right here, that means that they're going to be pushed to your store. So whatever images that you don't want to be on your store, you could go ahead and uncheck them. But if everything looks good, you could go ahead and hit save. Or if, let's say you wanted to add some images, like if you wanted to add like this one, you could go ahead and check that. And you could check like other images like this or like this. And if you didn't want to have, certain images, you could uncheck them as well. So you could uncheck this if you wanted to. But if everything looks good, just go ahead and hit save. And now everything is ready. So all you need to do is hit this push to Shopify button. And once you do this, that means this product is going to be pushed to your Shopify store. And now you can officially start selling this product to customers. So let's hit that push to Shopify button. And then right here, you want to select also push to online store. And then, wait, there was one more thing that I needed to make sure. You need to make sure that you add it to your home theme. So for collections, this is really important. You just need to make sure that you add this to your home page so that when customers go to your home page that they see this product. So hit save once you do that. And now you'll be able to push this to your Shopify store by hitting that button and hitting also publish to online store. Then hit push to Shopify. And now perfect. When you go back to your Shopify account and when you go to products, you should see that product pop up right over here. So that is perfect. So you are now selling this product. So literally it's the exact same product process, with all of the other products that we give you. So you just added this one, you did the same exact thing for all the other products. And if you wanted to add more products, and if you think of products, or you want to do research and find more products to add to your store, you literally could do that on AliExpress. Right here, you could add anything you can on here. So you could just copy the link and you can paste that onto the import list right here. Or if you find anything on AliExpress, like for example this purse, you could select add to Adidas search, and that would do the same thing as well. So once that is added to your store, you'll see that right here. And I want to show you guys how you guys could look on how your store looks. So if you head to online store and you select this I button, that means you could preview your store. So right here you'll see that we added this picture, and you'll see this product pop up right here, which looks nice and clean. So you are ready to start selling. So as you can see, when we change that compare that price, we put $100, and now the product looks like it's on discount at $19.99. And that's really, really good because your customers think that they're getting a discount. So once you do that, you'll do the same thing for all the other products, and you'll see all your products on here when you're done. And now you're officially ready to start selling. The other things that I do recommend is make sure, really, really important, that you pick a plan. Usually you'll have a free trial, whether it be 3 days or 14 days, but I recommend that you guys pick a plan on the first day so that all your progress, everything that you did to your store, it doesn't go to waste after your free trial is up. So make sure you choose your plan. You won't be charged until the free trial is over, but like I said, I recommend picking a plan immediately so that all your stuff isn't lost and you have to do everything all over again. So highly, highly recommend that. And the next thing I do recommend is you need to add a domain name to your store. I recommend that. So by default, Shopify is going to give you these free, myshopify.com domain names. So if you go right here, you'll see that this is the domain name to your store. But if you wanted to add your own domain name, so for example, you wanted something.com, you could go right here to settings and then go to domains and then hit buy new domain. And then you could put whatever you want .com. So if you wanted to put, retropurses.com, you could do that right here. Somebody owns this domain name, so it's not available. You could put something like shop.retropurses.com. And right here, you'll see that this is available. If you see this buy button, that means that it's available for you to buy. And whatever domain name that you want, you just hit this buy button, and that will add it to your Shopify store, so that domain name would be officially right here. So when people could go to that domain and go directly to your website. So it looks much more cleaner, and a lot of people trust an actual domain name versus something .myshopify.com. So highly recommend that. And then the last thing is that once you do pick your plan, you'll be able to remove the password to your page. So if you go right here and you copy this, and if somebody tries to go to your website, if you're on the free trial and didn't pick a plan yet, for example, I'm going to show you. So if you try to go to that website, it's going to show right here a password page. And that's because you cannot start selling until you actually pick a plan. So make sure you do pick a plan on Shopify, because if you finish your store and people are wanting to go to your store and buy products, and you didn't pick a plan, they can't even go to the store because it'll be a password there. So once you do pick your plan, you'll just go right here to online store preferences, and you will remove the password page, password protection right here. So you just literally uncheck this. As you can see, it's not going to let you do that until you pick a plan. So you have to choose a plan, and then you'll be able to remove that password so that everybody could check out your store and order products from your store, and so that you guys can make money. And the last thing that I do want to mention, really, really simple and straightforward, is once you go to settings, go to payments, and then activate Shopify payments right here. Enter your information. Really, it takes seconds to do. And then once you're done with that, customers could check out with their credit cards and debit cards on your store. And once you do that, you'll link your bank account so that Shopify, could pay you and that you could, get paid from your customers. So that's pretty much everything that you need to know. And you are now ready to start making money with your store. So super, super excited for all of you. And I'm so thankful and grateful that, we get to, help you get started. We wish that see you guys make money.